Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Stremio app, how to log into the Stremio app. Now, before that, you have to get the Stremio app onto your Android TV. On your Android TV, go to apps, go to Google and search for Stremio. Now on this search bar, a keyboard pops up and you tap Stremio and you find it there, right there. So you click on Stremio, navigate to the one that has play.google.com and click on it. You're going to have this app. An install button will be right here. Click on the install button to get the app installed, and when it's done you have it in your app library. So if I navigate back to my app library, you can find my Stremio application right here. So I'll scroll down to it and click on it to launch the application, and just like this I have this home page right here. Now on this page you need to understand that that's a QR code. You need to scan this QR code to have your application logged into. And to do that, I'll advise you go to your Android device or whatever smart device you have. Actually install that app, install the application, log into the application, and you're going to use this QR code to get it to your Android TV. That's the best way to do it. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the DaveTech YouTube channel for more content and value just like this.